As one of our up-and-coming manufacturers, Lelit continues to impress our team here at Clive with sophisticated machines that possess a reliable build quality and carry features focusing on enhancing the overall home barista experience, all with an approachable price point. Hey there, I'm Amanda with Clive Coffee. With me today is the Lelit Victoria, our newest single boiler espresso machine from Lelit. Let's take a look. The Lelit Victoria is a single boiler espresso machine with a built-in vibratory pump, 58mm saturated group head, as well as a PID for added temperature control. This compact machine stands at 15 inches tall, 9 inches wide, and 11 inches deep. You certainly won't have to sacrifice much counter space for your coffee bar with this machine. If you're stretched for time in the morning, the Victoria has an exceptionally fast warm-up time of under 10 minutes. Pairing a 0.3-liter brass boiler along with a 1200-watt heating element, the Victoria can effortlessly maintain temperature for back-to-back consistent shots. The front-facing PID on the Victoria allows the user to have full control over the temperature for both your brew as well as your steam settings. With the Lelit Victoria, the option to tinker and experiment brings out a new level of versatility that's unmatched in this price range. With optional pre-infusion, this machine is setting the bar high for what we generally consider an entry-level machine. As a single boiler, we should mention the Victoria is unable to pull shots and steam milk at the same time. Still, the conversion time between brewing temperature up to steam temperature is remarkably short. After pulling a shot, you're ready to start steaming within a minute. Upon unboxing your machine, you will find an included accessory box with a few basics to begin with. Inside the box, you'll find the ergonomic dual-spouted portafilter with a double basket as well as a blank back bushing disc for cleaning. Lelit also includes one of their proprietary softening and filtration cartridges to start your machine's water quality off right. If you're primarily an espresso drinker or only occasionally make small milk drinks, it's hard to find more performance for the price. The Lelit Victoria is the perfect machine to start experimenting with espresso at home. The simple design and small footprint make it an easy fit for nearly any kitchen. With a quick warm-up time and a beautiful brushed stainless exterior, we know you're in for a treat. If you have any thoughts or questions about the Lelit Victoria, I'd be happy to respond in the comments below. For more in-depth coffee content, click subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.